is the witness.
The friction is the sign.
What the darkness tries to smother
Is the light that's meant to shine.
Pay attention to the place
Where the battle is the loud,
where the enemy is fighting.
and the shadows are the proud.
It is not a coincidence.
It's a heavenly confirmation that you're standing on the border of a holy restoration. He only grips the things that carry heavy weight of promise. He only stalks the spirit that is pure and truly honest. He attacks what is anointed. He targets every grace, but the Lord is gonna meet you in that very hollow place. This is the year the grip will finally break by holy command or the force that we take. But he refuses to release. He'll be reclaimed through authority in Christ and the power of his name. The stronghold is trembling. The chains hit the floor. We are just knocking. We're breaking the door. The area he refuses to release is the ground of your ignition, where the Father's fire falls to fulfill the Great Commission. If the struggle is relentless, then the treasure must be great. Don't you falter in the valley, don't you linger at the gate. Prayer will be the